Welcome to a magical Christmas in snowy Norway. Imagine a quaint village blanketed in fresh snow where twinkling lights adorn every house and snowflakes gently fall from the sky. Now let's venture into the heart of Christmas in Norway, Oslo. Picture yourself strolling down Karl Johan's Gate, the main street, illuminated by festive lights. The air is filled with the excitement of holiday shoppers, each one adding to the bustling, joyful atmosphere. Next, we find ourselves at the breathtaking snowy fjords. These serene landscapes, with their majestic mountains reflected in the still waters, are truly wrapped in winter magic. It's a sight that captures the essence of Norway's natural beauty. Finally, we arrive at Bergen's enchanting Christmas market. Here, festive stalls offer delightful treats, and the aroma of hot chocolate fills the air. A beautifully decorated tree stands tall, inviting everyone to experience the warmth and charm of Bergen during the holiday season. Imagine standing beneath a sky painted with vibrant northern lights, the colors dancing above the snow-covered trees of Tromsø. This is Christmas under the aurora in Tromsø, a sight that truly takes your breath away. In Lillehammer, traditional wooden houses are blanketed in snow, creating a picture-perfect winter scene. It's like stepping into a true winter wonderland, Lillehammer, where every corner holds the charm of the season. Now picture yourself on a Hurtigruten cruise ship, gliding through the icy fjord waters as soft snowflakes fall around you. This is sailing through Norway's magical fjords, an unforgettable Christmas adventure. Majestic mountains dressed in white. Step into a fairy tale in Røros. Discover the Sami Christmas traditions. Explore the untouched beauty of Norway. Nature's frozen masterpieces. Ski into Christmas fun in Geilo. Here we are at the Arctic Cathedral in Tromsø, a true gem in the heart of the Arctic Circle. This stunning structure, illuminated against the night sky, embodies the Christmas spirit in a way that's, well, simply magical. Imagine yourself in one of Norway's cozy Christmas cabins. These charming wooden retreats with smoke gently rising from the chimney offer the perfect place to relax and soak in the festive atmosphere. And for those seeking a bit of excitement, there's nothing quite like a sledding adventure. Picture a family dog sledding through the pristine snowy terrain, where adventure truly meets Christmas magic. Stavanger's waterfront, a charming Christmas by the sea, where snow-dusted houses and boats create a picturesque winter wonderland. Now let's journey to Svalbard. Here, under a starry dark sky, the quiet town rests, blanketed in snow. Experience the magic of polar nights in Svalbard. And finally, we gather around the table with a Norwegian family, savoring traditional Christmas dishes like pinnekjøtt and risengrynsgrøt. Savor the flavors of a Norwegian Christmas where every bite tells a story. Find peace in Norway's quiet streets. Imagine staying in a magical ice hotel glowing with Christmas lights right here in Kirkenes. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience that brings the enchantment of the holiday season to life. Next, embark on the ultimate Christmas train ride. Journey through the snowy landscapes on the Flam Railway, where every turn reveals a new, breathtaking winter scene. Trondheim, a city that truly sparkles at Christmas. Picture a large, beautifully decorated Christmas tree right in the heart of the city square, spreading joy and festive cheer to everyone around. As we close, let's take in the serene beauty of a sunset over a snow-covered Norwegian village twinkling with lights. From all of us here, Merry Christmas from Norway.